Hello, people. Welcome back to Ada's Recipes channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for subscribing. And if today is your first time, you are highly welcome. So, in today's video, I'll be sharing with you about the 7 health benefits of turmeric you didn't know. Turmeric is a plant of ginger family. The roots are used in culinary purposes. It's also used as food coloring and flavoring agents in Asian cuisines and also in most of the Nigerian recipes. All right. So the first is turmeric promotes weight loss because of the anti-inflammatory properties it has, which helps to promote weight management as well as reduce the growth of fat cells. So if you are looking for a perfect remedy for weight loss, turmeric is the best remedy for that because it reduces the growth of fat cells, meaning as you take turmeric you can never get fat again. Is a natural, and permanent remedy for weight loss. The second is turmeric relieves pain. It serves as a pain reliever because it has been proven to treat arthritis. The curcumin in turmeric, which is an anti-inflammatory, helps keep the joints from getting inflamed and swollen. All right, so it's also a perfect remedy for the cure of a perfect remedy for arthritis and every other, you know, pain in the body. Turmeric promotes brain health because this help have been shown to increase the neurons and form new connections in the brain. All right. So the fourth health benefit of turmeric is that it helps to maintain a normal blood sugar level. So this help has been shown for treating diabetes. All right. Research shows that turmeric stabilizes glucose in the blood, which makes it a natural remedy for treating diabetes. So this is a perfect remedy for treating diabetes. All right. So if you're a diabetic patient or a person that's a diabetic, please recommend this powerful herb to that person. Turmeric is also an anti-aging powerhouse because it has anti-aging properties, that provides nourishment to the skin, which helps for more radiant, healthy, and young looking skin. Also, the anti-aging properties in turmeric help combat the appearance of aging and other numerous skin conditions. So turmeric helps combat, so many numerous skin conditions. It also helps to make the skin smooth and radiant, like I rightly said. All right. So um, the next is that turmeric is a natural food additive. Turmeric is known as the golden spice and a major ingredient in curry powder. We all know curry powder. So turmeric is that major ingredient that gave curry that color you see. So it's a very, very, very recommended, food additive that you shouldn't just miss when you are preparing your meals and recipes. All right. And finally, turmeric has anti-cancer properties. That has been shown to prevent the growth of cancer and reduce its spread. All right. So from research, turmeric is the best remedy um, to fight breast, skin, and stomach cancer. All right. So from all these health benefits listed, you should know that turmeric is not what you should look down on. It should be your friend. I don't joke with turmeric personally. So I love turmeric because of the power, packed benefit in turmeric. It can be used in a powdered form. You can also, you know, um, um, put it in a hot water and drink. All right, for those that want to lose weight. So you can use it in so many forms. You can add it to your food. Different Nigerian recipes. You can add it to your pepper soup. Name it. So this should be your friend. All right. So please make sure you share this video with as many persons as possible. People need to know this powerful um wonder hair. I call it a wonder hair because it does so many things. All right. So hope you've gotten something from this video. If you love this video, please give it a huge thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching and see you in my next video. Bye for now.